Hey guys, so guess what came in? My new Bissell Revolution Hydrosteam carpet cleaner, and it's a pet one. This one is in a different model, and yeah, and it's by Bissell. P.S. The old carpet cleaner that I still have, it still works, but I'm gonna put that shit in storage. So I'm gonna do that this weekend. So on to this, we have a trigger squeezing handle. We're gonna take that out and put it all to the side. This is a nozzle clean out tool. I guess it's for when hair gets stuck in the vacuum. And we got all these tools and stuff and other stuff. And we got two of these Bissell carpet cleaner solutions. One is the Pet Pro, and then that's the Pro. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these in my bathroom. So, and we got a scrubbing tool. Let's see what the hype is about. Oh my god! Yes. Come through, sis. Okay. Hold on. Oh my god. Look at this tank. And look at the model. So, it has a pushing thing for the handle, so you don't have to screw anything in here. So I'm good. I'm glad. This is the actual surprise. And this is where the magic begins. Okay. We're gonna okay. Hold on, guys. Welcome to my house. This is the actual product. Yeah, this is the actual product. And tools came along. I'm so glad. Thank you, Bissell. Hope you sponsor me for this. So I can play. But I really do hope so. So this is exactly what I need, but I'ma still get another vacuum cleaner to replace all the old ones. It's gonna happen soon. I don't even care. It's gonna happen soon. So on to this carpet cleaner. Take the thing out of the plastic. It's been acting brand new. Okay. Let's bring out the plastic. She's acting brand new. Okay. Let's take the foam off of there, and I guess that's for when you carry the whole vacuum, the whole machine. It says grab below to lift. I don't have zers. I'm in an apartment, so thank you for that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna keep this on there for safety. I don't care. So, oh my god, yes, I should sponsor Bissell for this. And let's take this out. This is the directions and assembly. So insert the handle until it clicks into place. So we're gonna do that. Okay. What is going on? Oh, never mind. So it snapped into place. So these two buttons right here, these two lines is when you're actually shampooing and steaming. So the machine actually turns on, and then this one line means that you're just steaming the carpet while the machine is not on. And then the indicator shows that you're steaming for 35 seconds and go. I'm so glad for this. Yeah. I'm like concerned of I don't know. It's just a button itself. So here is the tank. The water tank is the clean tank, not the dirty tank. The dirty tank is down here. So it is a full unboxing video for one of my subscribers, and I'll shout them out in the description below. I will do a full video on this vacuum, this carpet machine later. And I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna put this on the empty box. Oh my God. Freaking thank Bissell. Bissell has to be the top-notch carpet cleaning industry. Whatever. Bissell has to be one of the reasons why they take carpet cleaning very seriously. Okay, let's take this out. Matter of fact, I'll worry about that later. And we have the cord hook, which means to wrap it up and stuff. Okay, so we're gonna keep this on for a second or a minute, whatever. However, but this is gonna work. I know it's gonna work. Hold on. Okay, so let's get back to wrapping this up. Thank you so much, Bissell, for giving me this product. Matter of fact, this is off of Amazon, but I'm shouting out Bissell first. Thank you guys. You are forever my favorite vacuum company, or whatever. Let's wrap this shit up, because it's already getting on my last nerve. Okay, so we're gonna put that to the side. That's the quarter clip right here. And ta-da! Here is the finished product. Brand new carpet cleaner. Oh my God. Thank you, Bissell. Yes, thank you, Bissell. Yes, look. Yes! I'm so glad. Thank you. Sorry, guys. I'm just full of excitement today. Y'all know what the fuck happened. This is the handle release. And yeah. Thank you, Bissell. I'm definitely keeping this in my inventory from now on. This carpet is going to be vacuumed first before being continued to be shampooed. So, let me do some triggers real quick. Okay, so I'm just obsessed with this product. This is off of Amazon. And see you in the next video. Peace out.